what's up? So today I'm gonna be filming a room tour video. A lot of people always ask me about it, and just kidding, by a lot I mean like 3 people. So it is very simple and just like plain. My room is all clean right now. For the most part, always pretty clean, but just because I don't have a lot of things in it, it's easy to like maintain it and keep it clean. I think we should just get on into this video. So when you first walk into my room, this is the little hallway that leads into my room, and I'm just gonna give you guys an overview before I start with the entire room tour. So this is my room. So at my door, I just have this little bag on the door, which I originally bought to be my lunch pail, but it ended up being way too small, and that is from Urban. And then over here is just my bathroom door, which, yeah, I'm not gonna be showing you guys my bathroom just because it's super plain. So here are just my Polaroids. Most of them are from when I traveled to Rome. And then the string that it's on is from Urban. This is what it looks like. It just hang it on my wall. And I think it looks really good because I didn't know what I wanted to put on this wall. And it kind of fills up the space, but it's still really simple. So then over here we have my closet, and then these are just these 2 big mirrors that I use as my closet. So in my closet, we can open that up. Starting from the top of my closet, we have my suitcase and then just a random basket that I just keep some random things in. And then we have some shoes that I just don't wear very often, so I keep them up there. And then over here we have my closet of all my tops that I wear. So these are all of my different tank tops that I have. And then over here we have my short sleeve kind of tops, and then over here we have my long sleeve tops. And then if you're wondering what that in the back is, it's like for moths, like it's supposed to like keep them away. It's kind of ugly, but I don't get any holes in my shirts, so it's kind of helpful. But yeah, that's it. And then we can open the other side. So opening the other side, we have just a bunch of sweatshirts and my dresses and jackets and all that kind of stuff. So here I have just my hoodies, and then I have some jackets, and then over here we have a bunch of dresses, and then over here we just have some random things that I just kind of shove into the corner. And then up here we have a bunch of pillows, and if you're wondering why I have so many pillows, because I had a birthday party and it was like a dinner party and we sat on the floor, so we just have a bunch of pillows in here for storage. And that is it for my closet. So now moving on to my dresser thing. Over here we'll start, and this is my jewelry stand. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond. It just holds a bunch of my different jewelry items. Over here we just have this little plant, which is from ikea. This little mason jar, which I put some scrunchies that I just got from Urban, and I just kind of hold those in there. And then over here we just have this mirror, which I got from Urban, and I used to have it on my wall, but I kind of like how it looks just leaned up against the wall. It's a Vogue magazine, and then just my phone. And then over here I just have this Polaroid of me and my friend Joe, my Polaroid, some sunglasses, and then my Alexa. Oh, never mind. Moving on to my desk, this is an overview of what it looks like. I'll start over here. So my little basket, I think it's from like TJ Maxx. And then we have my backpack. Starting over here, this lamp is from Target, and then this little high key by Emma came when I bought her fuzzy jacket thing. So here we have this vase with some succulents in it, and this is from Target. And then we have some books, which I don't even know what those are. I just thought they were really cute, so I bought those. And then here is my computer, which I use to edit and stuff. And then I have some makeup brushes, and then I have my little mirror that I do my makeup in. So in this drawer I have just like my everyday makeup, and yes, I just organized this. It gets really messy, but I just organized it. So we have like my powders and mascara, I don't know, just some random stuff that I keep in there. And then in that one there's nothing important, it's just really messy. You can kind of see that one's a mess, but I just kind of shove things in there. And over here I have some boxes of stuff I bought, new Fila shoes, and then my High Key by Emma box, which I just keep for like storage. So that was it for everything on my desk. And if you're wondering, my desk is from ikea, and so is my chair. Over here we have my bed, and this is like an overview of it. Carpet is from Target, and then my bed frame is from ikea. My comforter cover thing is also from IKEA. And then for my pillows, I'm pretty sure these are all from Target. It's kind of like a beige color and kind of matches with my rug, so that's why I bought those. And then I have like lights streamed here. They're also over here. You can see that's it for my bed. It's really plain and simple. It's just white and beige along with the rest of my room. So moving on to the last part of my room, this is my clothing rack and this is an overview. So this is where I kind of display some of my favorite clothes or just clothes I wear a lot or have been meaning to wear. My fanny pack, just some tops I wear, and everything's always changing on this rack. I change it like every week or so. I just change around some stuff. It's from IKEA. Like I said, everything's from IKEA. Then over here, I just have a few of my favorite shoes. And then for the last thing in my room, I have the Alex 9 drawers because I used to be obsessed with YouTube and every YouTuber had these drawers. So starting over here, we have this fake cactus from Target, some sunglasses, and then I also have my wallet. And then in here, my drawers are pretty messy. I just have sunglasses. I didn't even try to like clean this up. I just have a bunch of belts. These are like all my black belts. So that was pretty much it for my room tour. I know it was pretty short, but I don't have too much stuff in my room, so I thought I would just give you guys a little look into my room. But that is it for now, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.